this is the first BMW M3 Touring. Check it out. The first ever BMW M3 Touring combines authentic motorsport feeling with a very distinct character and a broader spread of practical qualities. Its powertrain technology is focused wholly on delivering beguiling performance and brings together the 510 horsepower version of the 6-cylinder inline engine with M twin power turbo technology, the 8-speed M Steptronic transmission with DriveLogic, and the MX Drive all-wheel drive system. The BMW M3 Touring will be produced alongside the BMW M3 Sedan at BMW Group Plant Munich. Cleanly designed surfaces and athletic forms signal the standout performance potential of the BMW M3 Touring, as do the M-specific design cues firmly invested in the functional requirements of cooling air routing and aerodynamic balance. Chief among these are the vertically arranged, frameless BMW kidney grille, large side air intakes, powerfully sculpted wheel arches and prominently extended side skirts which, together with the attachment parts for the front and rear aprons, form a black high-gloss band around the whole of the car. Other distinctive features are the M gills in the front side panels and the exhaust tailpipes integrated into the rear apron to the left and right of center. Chassis technology tuned both to the performance profile of the powertrain and to the specific vehicle concept of the BMW M3 Touring creates an ideal balance of sports performance and majestic ride comfort in everyday use and over longer distance journeys. Detailed fine-tuning has been carried out as part of intensive testing on race circuits, country roads and urban routes. The high torsional stiffness of the body structure and chassis mountings imbues the car with even greater agility, dynamics and precision, and is further enhanced by model-specific bracing elements in the underfloor section and load compartment. Both the double-joint spring strut front axle and the 5-link rear axle have M-specific kinematics and combine lightweight design with particularly high rigidity. Adaptive M suspension with electronically controlled shock absorbers and M Servotronic steering with a variable ratio come as standard on the BMW M3 Touring. The integrated braking system offers 2 settings for pedal feel. Optional M carbon ceramic brakes can be ordered as an alternative to the standard M compound braking system. Meanwhile, forged M light alloy wheels in 19-inch front and 20-inch rear format are fitted as standard and can be specified with track tires as an option. The DSC system includes wheel slip limitation integrated into the engine control unit. As well as M dynamic mode, the BMW M3 Touring also has the M traction control function as standard. In the MX Drive system's 2-wheel drive mode, the driver can adjust the intervention thresholds for wheel slip limitation through 10 stages in order to carefully approach the physical limits under hard cornering on the track.